have received एक हमें कॉल मिला था regarding a dead body. So we are at the site. Forensic team has been called. They are going to pick up all the evidences. At this moment, it looks like a case of murder and robbery, but we are exploring all angles. FIR is being registered. Special teams have been formed to look for suspects. We are looking for CCTV cameras, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to work this case out soon. Thank you.
सर क्या हुआ?
देखिए, at this stage, my primary focus is on getting this case worked out. तो बाकी जो बातें हैं वो डिटेल में बाद में कर लेंगे. अभी मैं अपनी टीम के साथ केस को वर्कआउट करना चाह रहा हूँ, तो आई वुड ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट यू to kindly allow police to do its job.